right, so here we are on the route of the Hiawatha on the Montana-Idaho border. Now, this trail here runs about 14-15 miles, 1,000 feet of altitude difference from the top where we are here to the very bottom. We're going to cover one very long tunnel. I believe it's over a mile, and then there are seven tunnels, 9 trestles, and a lot of great views. So really looking forward to this, and we'll see you on the other side. All right, so we're inside this very first tunnel. That's my headlight. You can see the left and the right sides, and a little further down is somebody coming the other way, because there's two-way traffic on this. So once you come out of the tunnel, the trail turns into a bit of a fire road, and you are given vistas like this beautiful one right here. This is Idaho near the Montana border again, and this is ski country, and it's just beautiful here. Continues on as a fire road, and it already suggests here, the sign on the right, turn on your lights. So there will be another tunnel approaching soon.
The reason this section is named the Hiawatha is there's an old poem, a native poem, about a chief named Hiawatha claimed he was so fast that he could shoot an arrow and run out and catch his own arrow. So Hiawatha means fast pace. So the first electric passenger train that ran this railway, they named the Hiawatha, which meant fast pace for the passengers and stuff. So it's a pretty neat railway, a lot of history up here.
That's great. Thanks very much, Ken.
You're welcome.
It?
Oh man, it was absolutely fantastic. You know, this is the best rails to trail bike path I think I've ever taken. And you know, I got to tell you something, that that first tunnel when you go down, or the last one if you come back, it's 15 down and 15 back. It's 1.6 miles, and I tell you what, it's the most fun. And it's the longest, it's the darkest, which is why I've got this bike light here, front and back. It's the coldest. I think the temperature drops by like 20 degrees in there. And it's the most fun. And, you know, if it wasn't the end of the day, I think I'd do this all over again. But as it is, I think we're just going to go put the bike on the rack and think about the great day.
Thanks for coming.
Oh, you bet. Anytime. We'll be back. All right, we're going to get this bike back up on the cradle, clean up a little bit, and get ready for the next van life adventure.